Alrighty. Everything looks like it is up and running. Great. I think. Well, I did just get an error. I don't think that was anything, was it? Nice. Okay. I was about to say good morning. Well, it could be good morning, but it is definitely not morning right now. How is everyone doing? Clearly, I'm shattered. It was a bad morning. It was the traffic this morning, and it just totally threw my day off. My commute that normally takes like 30 to 40 minutes in the morning, an hour and 20. I was like, nah, just destroyed us. But I'm looking forward to this actually. Nice to make some more progress. So the plan of action for today is basically this bit that I've got highlighted. Let's you want to zoom in a little bit? Not too much? I'll do. There we go. Yeah, so this personalized section is what I'm hoping to make some progress on. I don't know if I'll be able to get everything done, but my plan at Google Fonts download, I've got that ready on another screen, so I just need to do the import there. That should be totally fine. But then it's basically trying to get this all working nicely. And one thing I do want to change is this. So right now I've got on mouse leave, I think it is. Yeah, it goes away. So if you go like slightly off, it's gone. Whereas you got to go like down, which isn't ideal. I think it needs a little bit of work. So what I'm going to do is just set like do a set timeout, I would say. Let's do that now. While I'm talking about it, I'll just may as well do it. So the personalized section, where am I at? Down here. So on mouse leave, I've got this dot close input. And there's this dot close input. Just do a set timeout. I'll do it as an arrow function. Set timeout. What do you think? 100 milliseconds. And move this in here. Hopefully that will make things a little bit better. Done up. Do 500. Is that gonna work? Is that gonna do what I'm thinking? It's. Whoop. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know if that's gonna work. So the set timeout will run. So if I go like that, yeah. So the mouse was still in the location there, but because it left half a second later, it then closed. Okay, so I need to undo all that because that was nonsense. Is it bad if I do it within? What's a good way to do it? I could. I need to think about that now. I really thought the set timeout would have worked. Oh, okay. So you could do like, no, the set timeout still wouldn't. You could maybe. Let's put all that back in. I want to console.log the E for a sec. Just comment that out. What I'm thinking, I haven't even got my console open. Color change. We'll refresh that. Goes to red. Okay. Only fires once as well. Oh no, there we go. Try it again. Okay. Client X and client Y. Oops. And okay. What was it? Get bounding client? Is that it? I don't know if that's right. Refresh again. Yeah, it's not get bounding client, is it? Is it? Oh, one's going off. That'll be alright. Document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? Sure, I've got an ID. ID. Font color. Might be e.target.get bounding client. Is it .get bounding client? Nope. What is it? I'm sure it is .get something. I'm gonna have to Google it. I was doing it today at work as well. Or was it yesterday? It might have been yesterday I was doing it. Get it is. Oh, wrecked. Oh man. Oops. What was that? Go. What is going on here? Refresh the page. It's even there. Clearly I use this function a lot. Document. Get element by ID. What did I call it? It was something color, wasn't it? Oh, I really need to focus. Font color. And then paste that. Yes. That's because right now it's hidden, so it doesn't have height, width, or anything like that. Okay. Back to the drawing board here. E.target.get bounding client rect. Whoops. Hopefully that's right now. Refresh. Yes. Okay. Now I want basically what I want is to get the mouse position, and then I got mouse screen target, not what I want. There is a, how do I target the client? Document. What am I doing? Not children. Oops. Do I need a window? Window. Look, window, 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 window. A lot of window stuff, screens. Why is my mind gone blank? What am I after? It's not page offset, is it? Let's try this again. With my mouse over here. Move to, nope, that's not what I want. Right now. Screen, nope. I thought it was like page X or something like that. I'm spending too much time on this. I might have to leave it for now. That's frustrating me. Because I really want to get some of this other stuff done. So that's getting put on my notes. I'm going to have to Google that one. Let's comment that out. Put that back in. So close input. Delay. Close input. For font color. Can't do a wait. Nah, right. I'm leaving it. Out of mind, out of sight, right? So let's just do what's done. What's the date? 21. Don't. Done. 21/09/2022. Okay, let's just copy this. Go to the personalized CSS. That's what I want. I'm going on my other screen. I've got my import for Google Fonts. Just save that, and I want to head over to the app actually, not the CSS app. Or index. We'll do an index. Whoa, that's a long line. Import URL. Is that how you do it? Nope. Import can't be used in TypeScript. Yeah. It is in this one. So this is all my fonts. I've got Roboto, Poppins, Inter, and Oswald. I think I've just gone with 400 and 700 font weight. And where the option was available, I also did italic on the 400 and 700. So the font is in. Let's just try it. We got any of the fonts already? Let's do that. Oswald's quite a specific one, isn't it? Let's put that in. I'm just going to do star. Font family Oswald. Yeah, so that's working. Everything's updated nicely. Cool. Cool. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to put that in a comment. You got font family Oswald, sans serif. Let's just copy all of these. And that's what I've got. Into Oswald, Poppins, Roboto. Nice. So, it's going to be tricky this. I need to make quite a few classes. And then I'll be making a few different functions, I believe. So let me try and talk it through. Right now, there's these different ways to select. So what I'm thinking is for each of these kind of selectors, I know it's not all of them yet, but it should be okay for now, that each one's going to have a kind of corresponding class. So I might make a class called like ptext and sheader, things like that. And that's how I'm going to target them. And then within each of those classes, I'm going to use CSS variables to style them. In the function, which will be like an onChange, we'll then update the CSS variables, which will then update the related kind of items. I think that should work fine. Quick drink. It's just going to be a little bit fiddly. So let's start and make a class for paragraph text, I think. Yeah. Paragraph text. So which one should we do first? Projects. I think projects will be a good one. If I can find it. Projects. It's not even projects I need to do. That is a total lie. Input editable and input editable delete. That's it. Easy peasy. Well, not easy peasy. Input text state. Input text state. So here, this is H1, H2, H3, and P. I want ptext. Ptext, and then go over here and style. Do I want to? Oh, no, I will put ptext in here. Font family. Dash var. Dash var? No, that's a lie. It's var dash. Font family. I haven't made it yet, but that's what I'm going to do. And yep, that should be fine. Font size. Again, just var. Font size. Font weight. This is just going to be very repetitive. Font weight. The decoration one. Is that good? No, this is font decoration. Font decoration? No, font style. That's the italic one. Call it font I. Yep, and then text decoration is underline. Yep. Getting my properties mixed up there. Font underline. Okay. Pretty happy with that. Save it. And here, so I need an FF. Font size, which will be 12 pixels to begin with. Font weight, which will be 400 to begin with. What was it? Font. Yeah, I call it font italic, but it's just going to be normal to begin with. And oh, that's not going to work. But I'll just finish this one off now. FU normal. FU. Hey. Okay, so why this isn't going to work is because I will use these across different areas. So paragraph text, the headers, things like that. So each one needs to have its own unique identifier. Oh, that's frustrating, isn't it? That's going to be a lot of repeating code. So if I do this as paragraph text, paragraph variables, we'll call it here. And call it P. And add that in front of everything here. Same at the bottom. Yep. And then I would copy that for section header. And that would be SH, for example. Okay. So, paragraph variables, I want to update my paragraph. I'm going to change this again. Oops. I want to call it the same as my class. Because then I could probably target the class and just append this. Like FF on the end. Something like that. Is that going to work? It might work. It might not work. Close that and close that for now. So. One change, I already have an update color. So this update color, I don't really need it for the paragraph text, do I? I do. I need a color. Ah, man. So I need p text, font color, and that's just going to be black. I don't know why I saved it, because I need to change this. It's just color. Okay. Okay, yep. Text color. Okay. What I need to do now, that's got input type p-text. I even named it p-text. Brilliant. I need to do something clever. I'm going to create a new function. Do I want to do something clever here? It's basically that update color. Let's try something. Update variable. Var. Take that. This is var. ID. Value. Possibly. No, let's do target. Property. And then value. Yeah. So this would then become template literals target, which is going to be the ID. Needs to be wrapped in this target. Property. And then this becomes value. So let's try it with this update color. Hmm. update color. I do need this. I'm going to leave the current color on actually, but well, we'll try it. Update CSS var. It's going to be current color. This is just an example. Current color is going to be blank. Oh, what am I going to do if it's blank? This probably isn't going to work. It's not. Change this to selector. No. Leave it as that. Target property. Equal target property dot join with that, and then this becomes selector. Get rid of this. Should work now, I think. Console.log it. Selector. Okay, I've got current color null. E.target.value. Is this gonna work? No, I haven't defined it. It was CSS var. Great. So, nah, select has not worked. I thought because it was null, it wouldn't do the join, but it would be an array of something and null still, wouldn't it? Rather than join, I'm just gonna do it as like a ternary thing. If property does not equal null, I want to do, what do I want to do? Template literals. I do love a good template literal. Target. Property. Else. It's going to be target. Try it again. Yeah, that is updating, isn't it? Nice. Cool. I like that. I like that a lot. That'll save me a bit of code, I think. Get rid of that. Probably not the best way to handle this. What if targets null, but it shouldn't be. Okay, get rid of that. That's fine. Change color. What's this change color one? No idea what I've done with this. Console.log. Oh yeah, I removed the change input. Okay. So next, update. Input change maybe. Input change, and I want to get E again. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. So I want to get when the input changes. Not on this one, I don't think. I don't want the input change on this. But I want it on these. Because if I had an input change on here, so my idea is input change, then like target all of these to check if they're checked or whatever, like get the value from them and update the corresponding thing. But say if I had title and I had that as some like blue color and it was 22 pixels, and I then changed to paragraph text, I don't want that to then be blue with 20 pixels. That makes sense. I want it to be, 12 pixels and black, something like that. So yeah, no unchange for this one. But when these change, then check. So let ID equal document.type and not document.get element by ID. I want that one. I want the value. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. I want the value. Then data property maybe. Font family. Yeah, this might work. Add a data property. Bit of a hack maybe, but I'm fine with that. Ooh, that ID is not going to work. Oh, well, yeah, it will. Data property, this is font weight. I'll just delete the quote mark. I'm all over the place, so that's font I believe they called it, and this one, font U, this one, data property, font color. I hope this works. I really do. So let property equals p dot target. How am I going to get this? p dot target. Actually, just console.log that for a second. Property. Oops. Copy that because I need to do this. Input change, unchange. This, I don't need that. This dot input change. Let's have a look. Refresh just to make sure. Yeah. So K. How do I get the attribute? It's not that, is it? Or is that bootstrap? Not bootstrap, but jQuery. That's what I'm thinking of. Data property. Oh, I got. Oh, that's fine. ID was. Boom. Oh, it's not attribute. Just attribute like that. Nope. Get attribute. I'm just testing everything right now. No. No. So it's doing something. Do I not need them? Yay! God. I was talking to my mate the other day actually about streaming, coding, and stuff like that. And it's like, it's both good and bad. So it's good because I'm trying not to Google as much. I'm trying to jog my memory because I do know some of this stuff. Like, I do know it. I just sometimes I don't remember it. I want to jog my memory if I can. And it's good not to Google things all the time. I don't have a problem with Googling, but it's nice to kind of push myself a little bit. So I'm quite happy with this result. I was also saying, because of that, because I'm not Googling it all the time, I am going through this a lot slower than I would be if I wasn't streaming, which is a weird thing to admit, because that's like, does that mean I don't really know what I'm doing? Possibly. E.target.value. So hopefully now that's Times New Roman, that's Poppins. That needs to change. Int is fine. So yeah, let's change Times New Roman. Does it need to be in quote marks? How do you do Times New Roman again in CSS? I think you do need quote marks in it, don't you? Times New Roman. Yeah. Oh, hey Pete, how's it going? I'm pretty decent myself. Thanks for asking. Where am I at? Here I am. I was going to change Times New Roman. Times New Roman. It is Romans, not Roman. I'm losing my mind. And okay, so that should be fine now. Get rid of that and do this dot update CSS variable ID. Oh, he didn't have electricity. Ouch. What happened? What sort of stuff are you studying right now? Oh, man. Unquote cannot read. Did I do wrong? So I'm pretty sure I just had this working. You dot target dot value. Oh, I missed off the. Oh, that's my issue. I really can't spell. Oh yeah, that does sound tough. I do not envy you there, to be honest. Let's create some projects. So this, oh, that's not updating, is it? Why am I getting false? Oh yeah, that's fine. Because I'm supposed to click this. Oh, that is updating. Roboto. In only this one's updating though, not the others. World. Oh, I'm well chuffed about that. Do they really pay the same? I thought chartered accountants would have got paid more, to be honest. I guess it depends on your level of developer role as well. I know some developers get paid a lot. Oh, well, Jeff, now I need to do this one. So, font. These all need to have pixels put back on the end. Because of how I've done it. I'm going to give this a value of bold. I don't know if that's going to work, a value there. I'll give it a go. Yeah, but I wonder if once you progress higher up as an accountant, I don't know if it's a faster curve. I'm not sure. The average salary for junior devs, I am not too sure. Should we have a quick Google? Average salary of UK developer. Have a look. Software developer. Oh, it's not junior, is it? I need to type in junior. Average salary of junior. Junior developers, Glassdoor. 28,000. Very high confidence. A large number. I'd be interested to see where that is based location-wise as well. The UK there's quite a big difference between like areas. As I was saying the other day, I think London you get paid a lot more than places like the northeast where I am. Oh, I don't know. When you see some people like, oh, I just got my first dev job at 100 grand, I'm like, I wish I could make that. But I think they've got like the larger companies over there, haven't they? So that probably influences it quite a bit. And it's probably just a small proportion. Right? You see people on YouTube, I wouldn't say that's the general population. Italic. This may need a different function. Give it a go. Let's try what's going on here. So, paragraph text. Let's put it up to 22. Yeah. 8. That's tiny. Is that actually 8 pixels? That can't be. Where is my font size? It is 10 pixels. That looks tiny, doesn't it? Wonder what it's like when I actually print. Print. Oh, that's not too bad. What did I put it on? 16. 12 is a good font size. Yeah. So that works. I don't know if bold will work. I didn't add it, yeah. Didn't add the function. Unchanged, so I've got font family, font size. Change this dot in. I don't know if bold's gonna work. Get ready for the error. No error. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing again. That's not doing anything. $10K for a junior in Africa, is it? Is that converted to? Is that 10K in? I don't know what the African currency is. That's really bad of me. African currency. Oh, there's quite a lot, isn't there? Wow. I actually really like foreign money. It's just so different at times. Like when I used to go, like I haven't been on holiday for ages in Rand here, but like when I go to like Europe and stuff like that, and I've got a few coins of euros, I always keep them because I'm like, oh, it's just so different to what I'm used to. It's nice to keep that momentum, momentum, memento. Um, I can't be the only one that keeps money. Don't laugh at this. Why is that showing the ID? That's weird. So I've got this dot target dot value. I've got value written here, but it's giving me the ID. That's weird. Whoops. Just put that as bold and get rid of value there. What lucky street? Oh man. That is not going bold. Why is it not going bold? Inspect. Do this. P-text. Font weight. Oh, it's because it. Should it be bold? Should that be bold? Toggle it on, toggle it off, toggle it on, toggle it off. Toggle it on, toggle it on. No, I haven't finished top. I am. Yeah, let's get it open actually. Top. Where am I at? Log in. Why do I always have to log in? I'm only up to the JavaScript section on top, so you got all the. I've done the foundation path, although I think they've added a new section. Computer basics I haven't done. Pretty sure I did do commit messages, but yeah. So I've done all the foundation bit, which was quite nice. But I am only up to the JavaScript part. Loads to get through. It takes ages, I think. Oh yeah, this is the new section, a bit of computer science. And yeah, I'm on the up to here, so I'm quite interested. There's the back end. I'm looking forward to doing the back end one. I think there's another back end section. The calculator was good. I think I had a few issues with mine. Can't remember off the top of my head. I'm sure I had some weird numbers at some point. Yeah, Node.js is it? Yeah. This is also something I'm looking forward to. I always have to Google how to do an animation because sometimes it just goes a bit weird. So I'm quite looking forward to doing a bit more on the HTML and CSS side of things. Like web accessibility, I think that would be really nice. It's not something I've really looked into that much. Do I? Yeah, I do. So on my work PC, I use dark mode, and on pretty much everything else, I use dark mode. I just haven't changed it in Chrome. I don't know why this isn't updating. Let's go back to here. What was my function doing? My function isn't updating because I don't have a data property. Oh, I do have a data property. Why is this not working? Let's do loads of console.logs because That's what I like to do. Oh, I know why it's not going to work now. Oh no, it should be fine. You do get used to dark mode really quickly. And then when you forget you've got light mode on and it blinds you, it's oh. My mate, the one that I've streamed with actually, we sometimes do video calls as well, and he doesn't have like any lights pointing at his webcam. All he has is a third monitor, and that's pretty much his light. And I'm like, I don't know how you do that. Let's just try it. That would kill me, just having one really bright monitor. So times you roll when roboto. What? So when I'm clicking this, it is not doing everything I want it to do. Oh, why? What is line 40? Line 40. Oh, it's this one. Well, I already got a button on click. I'm an idiot. I am. Do I want? Yeah, that's no worries, Pete. I probably won't be staying on much longer myself, to be fair. I haven't made that much progress. I hope your studying goes well. One change. Is there an on toggle? On. There is no toggle. So my on change isn't firing because it is just the button. Should I change it? Input. Type. What different types are there again? Radio. It does not like that at all. Oh, it was radio. Just need one person to give. Oh, I don't know, because if someone just gives you money, have you like it's those stories of the people that win the lottery, like win loads of money, and then a few years later they've lost it all. Like, I couldn't do that. I'd be like straight into my investment account. Don't touch the money. Mr. Beast. He's crazy some of the money he's got, like, isn't it? Yeah. I might do something bad here. If target active, remove. I need this dot input change. That's why I do need to change the value, don't I? Let's undo a few things. Put all them back in. Date. Input change. That's what I'm doing. Input change. Pass E back in. I don't think this is a good way to do it. Oh, change my keyboard settings. How do I do? I always do that. It's like some weird alt thing I click. Yeah, that should be normal. Is this gonna work? Let's get rid of this input. Change down here. Refresh. Okay. Some. Ones like that. Sort of working in reverse. Ah, man. Okay. So it does work. Underline. Oh, I've done it again. Underline doesn't work. Why is underline not working? Oh, I need to change the ID. Okay. There's a few issues I've got now. So my main issue is that on change, that's bold. I changed it to something else, unbold it, go back, messes up. It was working before. Now that's going absolutely mental. In reverse. Why is it doing it in reverse? I got it the wrong way around. Contains active. Yeah, I've done it the wrong way around. I am an idiot. Okay, let's try this one more time. Title. Put it as paragraph text. Bold, bold. Italic. Underline. Go to title. Bold and paragraph. Right. That does work. That doesn't work. I need to do the font color next. Font color. Oh, we're gonna do the font color. That should be fine, I think. I've got the data property. Do this on change. Update color. Update color. Yeah. What I'm after. Input change. Pass through E. I think that might work. Okay, font color is updating. Nice. I shouldn't allow it to be white, but that will be up to the user. What if I change that to title? That's still doing the border color. Might get rid of the border color. but it isn't a huge loss. Everything else seems to be working. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Oh, this still annoys me. I need to fix it somehow. Right. Yeah, so next, I need to create. I'm going to do a primary color. Yeah, I just called it current color, didn't I? But I want to primary color. Text. Do this color there. Background, and that'll be background. Getting there slowly. Primary color, so oh, I need to go through all my things, don't I? Let's do personal info. Background. The PG. Projects as well. Is that the right one? Don't think that's the right one. Yeah, it might be. So let's try this. That's bright red, isn't it? Primary color. That is not updating. Why not? So why is my project one not updating? I'm an idiot. I am actually an idiot. Okay, where is... there we go. That's still not updating, but that one's updating. Ooh, that needs a background of white. Yeah. Ooh, don't like that. I got a hover? Where did I do the hover? Oh, man. Straight down, right. Okay. Let's close that for a second. I don't need to do that. Close that. That. P-text. That also goes here. And all there. Why is that gone no weird color? What have I done? That shouldn't be that color. Ah, oh, man. No, that's fine. Yeah. Oops. A color needs changing, doesn't it? Let's do anchor. Happy with that. Oops. Getting a video call. I might have to head off. I'll call him back in a second. I'm going to wrap this up though. So let's just check my notes. What have I done? Root variables, partial. I've done that though. That was the main thing. Yeah, it does not feel like I've done a lot today. So I need to create selector classes like ptext, section, header text, things like that. Title maybe? I'll just call it h-text maybe. Yeah, so create the classes. That will help me create the lists that I need as well. Finish adding all the classes to that, the root variables. Create class for each what? For each class, yeah. So that still needs doing. Wow, I feel like I really didn't do enough. But I'm gonna call it a day there, I think. I'm quite glad I got most of this working. The did that update? I don't think that updated, you know. Inspect that. It is Calibri, yeah. Times New Roman. Yeah. Roboto. Yeah, I'm quite happy. That is good. All that's good. Goes bold. Possibly. Probably not great that that goes bold as well. But I can live with it. It probably shows them a little bit of what the style's going to be like. I think that's fine. Yeah, generally. Yeah. Still feels like there's so much to do, but I will get there. It's just going to take me a while. But I hope this has been a good session. I will likely be back on Sunday. I may do a little bit on Saturday, I'm not too sure. But definitely Sunday. I might game on Saturday, I'm not sure. But enjoy the rest of your night, everyone, and I will see you later.